Looks straight into camera, confident tone. Most people think getting a mortgage is just about having good credit. That's wrong, and that one mistake is costing buyers thousands of dollars, and sometimes their dream home entirely. Hi, I'm Duane Buziak, and on this channel, I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the mortgage process without the confusion, without the stress, and without leaving money on the table. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Lenders don't just look at your credit score. They look at your debt-to-income ratio, your employment history, your savings history, even where your down payment comes from. If you walk in unprepared, you can get denied or worse, approved for a rate that's way higher than you deserve. That's exactly why this channel exists. Every week, I'm breaking down the mortgage process into simple, clear steps anyone can follow, whether you're buying your first home, looking to refinance, or just trying to understand what a lender is actually looking at. Here's what's coming: how to boost your approval odds, how to compare loan options the right way, what to avoid before you apply, and how to negotiate a better rate. Been helping families get into homes for years. I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm here to give you the knowledge to make the smartest decision of your financial life. Hit subscribe right now so you don't miss the next video. It could save you thousands. Let's get you into that home.